Hello, my name is Marcus Kitikit. This is assignment 1 of Comp 3122. Now, let's head straight to the point. This is our Python libraries where we import NumPy, our matplotlib, and our pandas. NumPy provides an array of objects, right? And it helps us like fetch our arrays from a data set. And our matplotlib.pyplot is where we can create our graphs like histograms, scatter plots, and pandas is where we can fetch a column of a data set with numpy. No, not numpy. This is where we fetch our a column from a data set, and I'm going to showcase it right here. Now this is ages, right? This is age. We use the panda module, and then to read the data set, which is biostats1, and we define another variable called ages to fetch the age, which is here. This column right here called age. Yeah, we want to fetch that age column and print it out. Now, of course, you can define an age. You can define a column of just, ages like 49, 32, etc. But we're going to take the faster way of using a Python module called Panda to fetch the each column much more quicker. And of course, we have our NumPy where we have our NumPy here. Here we have our print average print. We have our library where we can print the average, the standard deviation, minimum, max, mean, STD, min, max, right? I could shorten this a bit, but it didn't ask to round it to the nearest decimal. That's fine. Now we need to find the 30th percentile, median, and 70th percentile to each column. This is where we use the NumPy, right? The NumPy for our documentation. I mean, no, not documentation, where we use for our data science. So the 30th percentile, np.percentile, ages 30, median, np.median, ages, right? And then np.percentile, 70, right? 30th percentile, 70th percentile. This is our percentile here, right? Where we use NumPy. And we have our matplotlib from the library where we draw our histogram chart. So this is the age. So we take the age column data, we define the bins, which is here, and the edge color black just to separate it a bit. The title is age distribution by me, X label age, Y label count, and count can be, now I could use frequency for the Y label, but I think count is a more appropriate name for our Y label, which represents the count, the number of people, something like that. So what I learned is that we can use matplotlib to create our graph, like scatterplot, of course histogram, and we have numpy to also like help us with our data, to help us for our data science calculations like 30th percentile, median, and STC, mean, etc. The average. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.